Greetings for the day, dear students. In the series of my lectures on steroids, this is my fourth lecture, and today I will cover the bile acids. In this, I will take the part 1, that is introduction, and some other informations regarding bile acids. The learning objectives are to continue to convince the students that bile salts are important, to describe the major components of bile, to understand the biliary tract, to describe some regulators of the secretion, and to explain how stool and urine color are affected by biliary dysfunction. Identify the mechanism that permit normal functioning of the gallbladder and the basis of gallstone disease. Now the question is, what is bile? Bile, that is termed as the hepatic bile, is produced and secreted by the tiny vacuoles to the hepatocyte. In the hepatocytes, from the hepatocytes, bile secreted into the bile canaliculi. Then it traverses a series of bile ducts finally into the common hepatic duct, that is CHT. Here in this diagram, the various pathway is shown. Here the central vein, hepatocyte, bile canaliculi, hepatic artery, hepatic portal vein, and bile ductules are shown. In this diagram also, the portal triad and the fenestrated lining, etc., and all important parts are shown. Now, bile from hepatocytes, it is a common hepatic duct that makes the junctus with the cystic duct to form common bile duct, that is CBD. From this junctus, bile can move through either the CBD into the duodenum or the cystic duct to the gallbladder. Here in this diagram, the bile storage and secretion is shown. Here the green colored organ is the gallbladder. So the gallbladder contraction forces the bile salts down the common bile duct, and newly synthesized bile salts from the liver flow to the gallbladder. If the sphincter of the OD is relaxed, then flow down into the common bile duct to the duodenum. Now, what is the composition of bile? Bile is made up of bile acids, the bile pigments, and other substances that are dissolved in the alkaline electrolytic solution. Bile salts are synthesized by hepatocytes, and the bile pigments are picked up from the blood sinusoids. Daily secretion is 500 milliliter, color is yellow, and the taste is bitter. Now the bile acids are the major solid components of the bile. Here hepatic bile is shown. In this, the solutes are 4% and water is 96%, and in the gallbladder the solutes are 10% and remaining is water. Solutes present by weight: the bile acids are 64%, protein 1%, bilirubin 2%, electrolytes 17%, cholesterol 8%, and phospholipids 18%. In this table, I have shown hepatic and biliary bile composition. Here in the first column is the substance, and the second is the liver bile, and in the third column is the gallbladder bile, and here the bile salts, bilirubin, cholesterol, fatty acids, lecithin, sodium ions, potassium ions, calcium ions, chloride, and bicarbonate ions are shown, and their composition in liver bile and the gallbladder is shown. Now we come to the main topic, that is bile acids. Bile acid synthesis. Bile acids are produced by the hepatocytes as end products of cholesterol metabolism. Cholesterol is selectively metabolized by a series of enzymes that result in the formation of bile acid, and cyanidicolic acid and the cholic acid are reformed to as primary bile acids because they are synthesized by the hepatocytes. The cholic acid and the chenodeoxycholic acid reach duodenum through the bile and the small intestine and colon. They are converted into secretory bile acids, that is deoxycholic acid and the lithocholic acid by the bacterial action. Bile acid synthesis. The rate limiting step is catalyzed by cholesterol 7 alpha hydroxylase, and the second one is down regulated by end products, that is bile acids enzyme repression. Here in this slide I have shown the various steps of bile acid synthesis. Bile salt formation. Addition of olefic or that is trevin results in the presence of fatty ionized groups at pH 7, that is COOH of glycine and SO3 of trevin, hence its name as the bile salt, that is sodium or potassium glycolate. Now we come to the functions of bile acid. Emulsification of digested fats, stimulate formation of bile by hepatocytes, that is cholerectic action, and stimulation of the release of bile from gallbladder, that is cholegogic action, and absorption of the fats along absorption of lipids into the enterocytes and include vitamin A, D, E and K, and forms route for removal of cholesterol. Now we come to the bile pigments. Formation of bilirubin. Lifespan of RBL is 60 to 120 days. RBCs are phagocyted or lysed. Normally, lysis occurs extracellularly in the system of subsequent of RBC phagocytis. Here in this slide, the pathway for RBC destruction is shown. Bilirubin. Bilirubin is transported to the liver along with plasma proteins, and protein gets separated and bilirubin gets conjugated with the glucuronic acid. Now here the fate of bilirubin in small intestine is shown. Most of the bilinogen enters liver through the enterohepatic circulation and is re-excreted through bile. About 5% of bilirubin is excreted by the kidney through urine. Some unabsorbed part is excreted through the feces as sterobilinogen. This gives yellow color to the urine and feces. In normal individuals, it flows into the gallbladder when the secretion of OD is closed, that is the period between meals. In the gallbladder, the bile is concentrated by absorption of water and sustained release of the bile as per requirement of food. Now, regulation of gallbladder secretions. When food enters the mouth, the resistance of the sphincter, the OD decreases under the neural and the hormonal processes, and fatty acids and the amino acids in the duodenum release of CCK, which causes gallbladder contraction, and the production of the bile is increased by the stimulation of the organs, nerves, and by hormone secreted, which secretion that increases the water and the HCO3 content of bile. Now, gallstone and cholelithiasis. Gallstones are common cause of biliary tract obstruction and in adults. Now, where and why they are formed? Anywhere in the biliary system, the mainly gallbladder risk factors are age, sex, diet, and reduced biliary transit. Here the function of the gallbladder are shown in this slide. These are the references consulted to prepare this topic. Thank you. Have a nice day.